Hi guys, I'm going to teach you how to make this embellished t-shirt. What you need for this project is a plain t-shirt, any color you prefer, some tacky glue. You can get that from your local haberdashery shop, or you can get it from Hobbycraft, or you can get it online, eBay, or you can get it from us, Lucianota. You also need some sequins, a strip of sequins. You can use individual sequins, or you can actually use a strip sequins. It doesn't really matter. You need something to draw out an outline like tailor's chalk, or you can use blackboard chalk if you want to, and a pair of scissors if you have a strip of sequins. So what you need to do is mark out whatever words or text you want on your t-shirt with your tailor's chalk or blackboard chalk, and then follow that outline with your tacky glue. And once you've done that, all you need to do is simply begin to fit your sequins on the tacky glue while it's still wet, and make sure you put everything in place and cut out all the parts which you don't need. And once it's finished, you leave it for 24 hours to dry, and then what you do at the end is turn it inside out and press the reverse with a hot iron to make the glue stay, and that's it. Voila, your embellished t-shirt. Please make something, tag us, and let's see what you've made.